Everyone, my name is Harshvardhan Yadav. Today's date is 28 December 2021. Today's topic is Java static keyword. The static keyword in Java is used for memory management. Mainly, we can apply static keyword with variables, methods, blocks, and nested classes. The static keyword belongs to class than an instance of the class. The static can be variable, also known as class variable, method, also known as class method, block, and nested classes. Java static variable. If you declare any variable in static is known as static variable. The static variable can be used to refer the common property of all object. For example, the company name is employee and college name is students, etc. The static variables gets memory only once in a class area at the time of class loading. Advantage of static variable: it makes your program memory efficient. Understanding the program without static variable. Class understanding the problem without static variable. Suppose there are 500 students in my college. Now all instant data members will get memory each time when object is created. All students have its unique roll number and name, so instance data member is good in such case. Here college refers to common property of all object. If you make it static, it is field will get the memory only once. Example of static variable. The Java program demonstrates the use of static variable in class student, then curly bracket, int roll number, it is instance variable, then string name, then static string college is equal to its static variable, then constructor, the student int r string n, then curly bracket roll number is equal to r, then semicolon, then name is equal to n semicolon, then white display, the method to display the values, then test class to show the values of object. We can change the college, then public class state static variables 1, then curly bracket public static void main, then student s1 is equal to new student, then student s2 is equal to new student, then output is 111 current its and 222 rn its. Program of counter without static variable. In this example, we have created an instance variable named count, which is incremented in the constructor. Since instance variable gets a memory at the time of object creation, each object will have copy of instance variable. If it is incremented, if won't reflect the other object, so each object will have the value 1 and count variable. Programmer of the counter by static variable. As we mentioned about the static variable, we memory once, only once. If object changes value static variable, it will retain its value. Thank you.